Alright guys, let's solve this question together. It says 3 root x plus x is equal to 2. Okay, let's solve this. Now the first thing to do is to isolate this. Okay, so we're going to have 3 root x and then we have to be equal to 2 minus x. Okay, now the next thing to do is to raise both sides to the power of 2 in order to eliminate square roots. So we'll raise this side to the power of 2 and I'll raise this side to the power of 2. 3 squared is 9 times root x squared is x is equal to 2 squared is 4 minus x squared is plus x squared. Then you have minus x times 2 minus 2x times 2 minus 4x. Okay, now this means that x squared minus 4x plus 4 is equal to 9x. Okay, hence we have that x squared minus 4x minus 9x is minus 13x plus 4 equal to 0. Okay, now at this point we can decide to solve this quadratic equation to get the two values for x. So solving this quadratic equation would mean using the quadratic formula which states that minus b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a is equal to x. Alright, now from here we can deduce that a is 1, so we have that a equal to 1, b equal to minus 13, and c equal to 4. So we have from here minus 13 times minus is plus 13, plus or minus square root of minus 13 squared is 169, minus 4 times 1 is 4 times 4 is 16 all over 2 times 1, which is 2. This is equal to x. We have 13 plus or minus square root of 169 minus 16 is 153 all over 2 is equal to x. Hence, x is 13 plus root 153 over 2, or 13 minus root 153 over 2. Cheers.